Previously on The Other Chef. So great news, guys. Got the ticket. So now I'm getting ready to head to the gate. They did strongly recommend me to update the Visit Japan website. What that means is that since I already have my COVID test result, it will be a lot faster to process my entry into the country of Japan. Aside from that, super excited, guys. And what's cool is that Japan Airlines actually honors pre-TSA, which is awesome. About to head to my next destination. Going to go to Singapore through Japan Airlines. So good news, the visa has been approved, but I'm still going to hang out in Singapore for about 2 days. So right now my body feels like 7:45 in the morning the day before. So right now, current time in Tokyo is almost midnight the very next day. So it's kind of crazy. I actually stayed up and had a great time, but I'm probably going to sleep on the plane when I get to the final destination. So stand by, guys. Just got on the plane. It's a Boeing 767, so a 242 economy lineup. Obviously, no one here, so I'm guessing I'm going to probably have the seat to myself. It's going to be a 6-hour flight. I'm actually going to get some sleep, and I am looking forward to sleeping.
Our expected flight time will be 6 hours and 45 minutes until we take off. We hope you will enjoy your flight with us.
So just getting to the airport right now. They're showing me where I need to go to get to the transfer point. Aside from that, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. My body feels like it's roughly 3:30 Tuesday afternoon, and it's 6 a.m. Wednesday. Did sleep a lot on the plane. The melatonin helped. So I do have a hotel checked in, but they won't accept anybody until 3 p.m. That'll give me a little time to kind of get things settled. But I think the thing that I'm going to do is actually stay in the airport and check out the actual beautiful airport here. So more to follow on checking out the Jewel and all these other spots. Hopefully I can find a coin locker slot, and then we'll go from there. So currently right now checking out the Jewel. I just stored my bag, so right now just the sling bag right here. Something that caught my attention, the Jewel really isn't open until 10. There's obviously restaurants, for breakfast and whatnot, but the iconic waterfall at the Jewel, and I'm actually heading towards there, won't be available until 11. Now, my hotel room isn't available for reservation until 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna actually spend some time while I'm here, but I'm gonna flip the camera over so you guys can actually see. Check this out. Now, everyone tells me that the waterfall will not be operational until 11. So I'll definitely be here when they open it up. But check out this entire ecosystem right here, guys. This is crazy. This is beautiful, guys. Amazing. Super cool. Obviously, there's more shops downstairs, but definitely we'll be here when this waterfall activates. and it comes up here. So guys, super excited. I'm actually gonna go down to the B level, the basement level, to grab a quick bite to eat. I very excited that I actually was able to arrive in Singapore. We'll try to visit a couple of places, especially the hawker stalls here. Maybe try to book a Michelin restaurant. Aside from that, super excited, guys. I am looking forward to hanging out in Singapore for the next 2 days. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm still in the Jewel right now at Singapore International Airport, and just saw a Don Quixote, which is a Japanese-based supermarket. My very first time, so we're gonna check out what's in here. I will say one of the locals that I spoke to told me that prices in the Jewel are slightly elevated for obvious reasons, but we're just gonna go check it out and then maybe grab something to eat. Right now the time is about 9:30, so we're still about 1.5 hours from the waterfall at the Jewel to open up. So let's actually check out what we have here in Don Quixote. So it's pretty well organized. Okay, let's actually check out some of the stuff here. Let's have Pokemon Ramen, different types of Kit Kats. There's a green tea one, strawberry, yam, wasabi. Jesus Christ. Right? All types of sauces here. So as I stated, here in Singapore, there is a huge Muslim community, so they have a lot of halal friendly type of stuff here. And the reason why this has to be halal is because most, if you look at the ingredients here, most like types of purees and everything has gelatin, and gelatin is usually from pork, so they have to use other things to create the same viscosity of the item that they're trying to sell. So very cool stuff. Obviously prices here are slightly elevated. So for context, at the time of this video, $1 US is $1.33 Singaporean dollars. So they do use dollars and they do use cents here. Some more Kit Kat flavors, such as the peach. We have a matcha one. Okay. Yeah, a whole bunch of snacks out here. Cool. Very, very cool. So you can see here that the prices are slightly kind of high. There's also a lot of dairy and desserts. Like for example, this daifuku, which is a Japanese red bean paste item. Obvious reasons, because they're coming directly from Japan. That's $9.50. It's pretty high. I'm just gonna open it up, kind of get a little bit of the fresh cold air right now. But aside from that, it's pretty straightforward. Look at this Coca-Cola. Oh, I'm sorry, Pepsi. One thing I will check out here is that, oh, they actually use high fructose corn syrup. Not good. But yeah, a lot of frozen treats. I might actually get something before I get out of here to kind of beat the heat for a little bit. But gonna keep visiting more of Don Quixote. Oh, check out all this beautiful mochi that they have here. Like this wasabi one. They even have some dango, which is a Korean delicacy. obviously water, and curious what this is. Oh, gum. Lots of iced teas, drinks. We have even shabu style pork belly, and it's 300 grams for $7.80, so about maybe $6. Not bad. There's also different types of like dried seaweed and dried, looks like this is dried shellfish, seaweed, lots of beautiful sashimi here. Okay, I think these prices are a little high. Like, for example, this uni right here is 100 grams, it's $38. That's 38 Singaporean dollars. That's a lot. But you know, that's what you get for prices in the Jewel. Hopefully prices will be a little bit different when I step outside of the airport. But man, a lot of cool delicacies, man. I went to a supermarket close by because I wanted to get like some drinks and then maybe you know, a couple of other things, and I saw this beautiful roasted chicken. You know, we'll probably go back to it. This is the style type of pudding. Oh my god, this is so good. Pretty expensive. It's about $5. Probably very good too, huh? Obviously huge coffee culture here. Man, this is not bad. One liter for $5. Kind of curious where the coffee is from. Non-sugar. Interesting. And then here's the checkout counter right here. So pretty straightforward. Oh, they even have warm items. Hey, check this out, guys. Yeah. Some squid karaage, some karaoke, cheese dice, I believe that's fried cheese curd, some fried shrimp, fried chicken, some fried shrimp right here. So a lot of cool items. Don Quixote is like a supermarket brand. Aside from that, I mean, they do have like your regular produce, like these beautiful strawberries here. Look at this. All right. Look at the beautiful pink ones right here. Yeah, these are very expensive for obvious reasons, right? Okay. All these gels right here. Okay. Fruit jellies. Some spring vegetables, sprouts actually, some negi, which is a Japanese style green onion, beautiful cucumber, some enoki mushrooms, and some king mushrooms right here. Yeah, lots of cool items here, guys. Stuff that you probably won't see in America because it's so unique. I want to give you guys a quick tour of Don Quixote, which is a supermarket. Other than that, yeah, we're just waiting for the Waterfall at the Jewel to make its appearance. So see you guys in a bit. So decided to take a break and check out this soba ramen restaurant in the Jewel called Tsuta. Now, they were awarded the Michelin star back in 2018, and they are known for their black truffle soba ramen. Dashi soy broth with a beautiful cooked egg, some nicely cooked pork, and overall a wonderful experience. I believe this cost $12 US. Also, you have to remember that the Jewel is also a mall, so that's why you see unique features like this Pokemon store and this Starbucks Reserve store that serves a apple tart. Yes, that is a waterfall inside of a building. Hey, what is going on, everybody? So, finally checked into the hotel. About to go to up to the 10th floor to go to my upgraded room, thanks to my diamond status with Hilton. So, let's actually head over there right now. Let's actually check this out. Restroom, shower. So, it's a stand up shower, not a tub. Bathroom, kind of straight. Obviously, that hose is to more for washing your behind. This is a bidet per se, right? Looks like this is a refrigerator. I'm not sure why the key is there. Stuff to hang your clothes, ironing board, safe, the bed, the TV, and the plugs and everything, and the view of the city. Even though it's not the best view, all good. So guys, gonna change, take a well-deserved shower, and maybe take a quick nap or what have you, and then get ready to explore the city. It is humid. It's about 80 degrees, 70% humidity, but just spoke to the hotel agent. He said in this area of Singapore, it's a very small country and then lots of neighborhoods. So the neighborhood that I'm actually staying in is Little India. Definitely going to hit out Chinatown and all the other areas, including Arab Road. And, just really just enjoy my time here. I'm going to be here for about 2 days before my ultimate destination. But aside from that, gonna sign off for today, guys, and we'll see you guys later on. Y'all have a good one.